Imposter.
Yeah. So I thought it'd be a fun idea to go over my wish list. This is so as you recall, last video I did a wish list webcam review, but this whole thing is a wish list microphone review that I'm hoping to get. So apparently it's easy to use, clear voice, focus on the sound, quality improvement, quality service. This thing helps a lot because I don't have to nail it into the desk, I can just clip it on. Adjustable arm, very nice. We'll go to this. We get to the cap, the microphone cap. I really need that. But aside from that, boom. Amazing. Steel mesh. Nice little sound noise canceling thingy. Overall, great. It's just amazing looking. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. 360, 180, 270. Nice. Alright. Wow, cool. Fingers. Buttons. Microphone. Wow. So this microphone, still stuck in the last video. This microphone is very, very, very nice. I'm really hoping to get it. It's very nice. So, I just gotta plug it in, and that's it, I guess. That's what it says. We send this item to you from Europe, so the delivery is very fast. Huh. Funny. Let's see. $20! $20. Isn't that amazing? $20. 20. Very nice. Oh, 99 cents. I didn't see the 99 cents. Oh, free shipping. May arrive after Christmas. Yikes. This accusation within 45 days. I thought it said it ships from Europe, not from a company. Kidding. No, I don't have one to sell. But yeah, this is very nice, guys. This is a very nice camera. I'm really hoping to get, or a microphone. Gosh dang, I'm still stuck in the last video. Microphone, sorry. I'm really hoping to get this microphone. It's very nice, and I'll be able to talk to you guys clear, and it won't be all messy. I'll look like a professional YouTuber. I'll have a cool webcam, cool microphone. It'll be awesome. So yeah, I'll also post it on Instagram for the unboxing camera video or something like that. And I will see you guys later.
Imposter.